tingin ko wala silang standing to sue, no, dahil they're claiming na may it's a fishing expedition, yung mga subpoena ng Committee on Justice for the SALN, for the other documents.
Sinupalpal ni retired Justice Antonio Carpio ang grupo ng DDS lawyers na pinangungunahan ni Israelito Torreon na nag-file ng petition sa Supreme Court of the Philippines para pigilan ang impeachment ni VP Fiona Sara Duterte. Patunay na bobo at hindi nag-iisip talaga itong mga DDS lawyers na to.
Sabi nila, fishing expedition raw. At saka because of that, there is a grave abuse of discretion, unconstitutional. Dapat lang mag-raise niyan si VP Sara Duterte herself.
Ayon kay Carpio, wala raw standing ang mga ito para magreklamo sa Korte Suprema dahil hindi naman sila ang direktang naagrabyado. In other words, hindi nila pwedeng i-claim na may fishing expedition o grave abuse of discretion o tawaging unconstitutional ang prosesong sinusunod ng Kamara. Ang tunay na party in interest na may standing ay si Fiona lang dahil wala silang direktang koneksyon at hindi pwedeng kahit sino na lang ang pumasok para isalba ang vice-presidente.
Dapat nga po, yung threshold level pa lang ng trabaho ng Committee on Justice, at the very least, yung third and fourth impeachment complaint, dapat dinispis na po yun. Ano po yun? Kasi wala pong sufficiency in form and sufficiency in substance.
Hindi pwede anybody who is not involved in the case, who's not a party to the case, will raise it. Hindi pwede yan. So I don't think the court should entertain that petition because walang standing to sue. No, wala silang connection eh. And kung ganyan, kahit sino na lang papasok even if they are not a party to the case.
Dagdag pa ni Carpio, wala ring sapat na basehan para maglabas ng TRO ang Korte Suprema.
So, I think there is no basis for issuing a TRO. Hindi naman sila, they're not a party to the case. No?
Binigyang diin niya na ang House of Representatives of the Philippines lang ang may exclusive power na mag-initiate ng impeachment laban sa mga impeachable officials. Kaya si Fiona lamang ang may karapatang questionin ang kanyang impeachment sa Korte Suprema.
And nakalagay naman sa saligang batas, the House shall have the exclusive power to initiate all impeachments. Exclusive nga eh. Hindi pwede mag-intervene eh. Wala naman yung sabi nila na fishing expedition, it violates due process. Hindi naman sila party to the case eh. Hindi naman pwede any Tom, Dick, and Harry can just go to the Supreme Court even if they're not party to the case and raise the ground of fishing expedition. Wala naman sila, they're not involved in the case eh. Hindi naman sila apektado.
Hindi rin umano pwedeng sabihin ng 16 na abogado ni Fiona na walang ebidensya laban sa kanilang kliyente dahil naka-attach sa complaint ang mga affidavit at dokumento.
They're just determining probable cause. To determine probable cause, normally, you just ask for documents from affidavits and counter-affidavits lang yan eh. And in this case, authorized naman, the VP Sara, the respondent, is allowed to appear.
Oo.
So, she should appear and submit her affidavit. Yung kanyang answer, jurisdictional eh.
Oo.
So sabi niya walang jurisdiction. Pag walang jurisdiction, wala siyang isasubmit kahit paano. Kasi sabi niya walang jurisdiction. So I will not produce any document because wala kayong jurisdiction eh.
So hindi totoo na walang ebidensya.
Naka-attach doon lahat ng mga affidavits.
At tungkol naman sa paggamit ng terminong mini-trial, nilinaw ni Carpio na ang ginagawa ng Kamara ay hindi mini-trial kundi isang preliminary investigation hearing na siyang magiging batayan ng proseso.
Well, kahit na anong tawagin mo, whatever term you call it, ang mag-govern dyan, ano ang ginagawa nila ngayon? They're just following the rules. Mini-trial, ano ba talagang ginagawa nila? Mini-trial ba? Hindi naman eh. They're just following the rules eh.